Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Liz. I hope all of you guys are doing super well. In today's video, I want to go ahead and show you guys what's on my iPhone. I recently purchased a new iPhone. By the way, if you haven't watched my iPhone unboxing video, I'm going to put the link in the description box down below. I'll also link it above here. You can go ahead and watch that video out. If this is your first time, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Subscribing is free. You are not paying for anything, and don't forget to turn on the notification post so that you'll be the first person to know every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let us get right into it. Okay guys, in case you haven't seen my iPhone unboxing video, this is how my phone looks like. By the way guys, I mentioned in my iPhone unboxing video that I've never used an iPhone before. This is my first iPhone ever. I used to be a Samsung girl, but I've upgraded to iPhone. So anyways, I'm so excited. I absolutely love this other feature on my phone. So basically, when you slide your top right corner, you'll be able to see like a menu there, and this menu include a whole lot of things. There's like Bluetooth, there's Wi-Fi, screen mirroring, there's a calculator, there's torch, camera, music, and a whole lot of things. Yeah, I absolutely love the way it looks like. It looks very, very nice. So immediately when I unlock my phone, I am seeing my calendar. Okay, I'm seeing my calendar. I obviously use the calendar like every day to check what day it is and the dates and all of that stuff. The next thing I have on this menu is my photos. Who doesn't have photos on their phones? So yeah, I've got a whole lot of photos on my phone. So what I did was I created some folders, and then I took some of the apps and moved them into those folders, because if I want an app, I just want to click on that folder and then I'll access whatever app that I'm looking for. So for example, the first folder that I've created on my phone is called Internet. I've named it Internet. So over here, when you click on it, you do get like Chrome, Google Maps, OneDrive, weather, and maps. So all the internet stuff will be included in this internet folder. So moving on to the next folder, I have like an email folder. I always use Gmail. The other folder is called shopping. So in this folder, I've got Alibaba, I've got AliExpress. Well, I don't use some of these apps, so I'm just gonna like quickly show you guys what I normally use. I always use AliExpress. I also use eBay sometimes, and I should also add an Amazon app in here, but I don't have it at this time. I also use 17 Track. This app is super cool. It helps me to track my orders when I purchase something online, and if I want to find out how long is my order or where is my order, I can always open the 17 Track in order to track my orders. The next folder I have, okay, before I move on to the next folder, I just want to show you guys some of the apps that I use on the daily. Like, I love using the podcast. On this podcast, I've got quite a lot of podcasts that I listen to. The main ones are from Life with the Lindsays. So it basically Heather and Cornelius Lindsay, they're a couple. I always listen to them. I absolutely love the podcast. And beside that, I also have Sarah Jacks. She's one of my fave. I always listen to her podcast. And yeah, I love using this app. It's super cool. I also like to use reminders, you guys. I still have to find a folder for this one. So another app that I have on my main page is Uber. I use Uber sometimes. Who doesn't need an Uber? So when you are in need, look for an Uber. So I always use this app as well. So yeah, it's very helpful. So I've added it on my first page. Like I said guys, I'm only going to show you stuff that I normally use on my phone in order to save time. There's another folder which is called utilities. I don't usually go into this folder unless if I want to use like the calculator, and then I'll quickly go ahead and use it. I sometimes use the voice memos. Besides that, I don't use the other stuff. So moving on to the next page, I have another folder which is called books. So in here I've saved like all my reading apps. I've got the Bible apps, which I always read the Bible apps. I've got notes. I always write stuff, like sometimes I write, so I always like write things that I save in my notes. I sometimes make like my YouTube video ideas. When I'm not in front of my laptop, I always use this note. I'm gonna save all the YouTube inspiration and ideas. I'm gonna go ahead and save it in here, and then when I'm go to my computer, and then I'm just gonna quickly move everything into my Excel sheet, because I always keep my YouTube upcoming videos in my Excel sheet. I also have Kindle. I always use Kindle. Wow, I don't have internet now. I always use Kindle like to read books. I need to sign in. I've got books on Amazon that I always read, so I go through Kindle and read it. I have Pages. Well, I barely use Pages and Keynote. The next folder is called Office. So in here I've saved all the Office stuff, such as PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft Word. I also have Move in Sync, which is work related, so I'm not gonna go into it. So yeah, this is my Office folder. I've got a photo editing. So in here I have like all the editing apps, like for my photos, my videos, like everything that I need when I'm editing. I saved it in here. The first app is called InShot. I always use InShot like every time. I've got iMovie, Fonto, PixArt, Quick, VSCO. I also have Google Photos. I don't use Google Photos. I have CutPaste Photo. I use that. And I don't use Pixel Lab. Okay, so yeah, I don't use the other stuff. And then I have my social media folder. Guys, I'm trying my best to stay away from social media. I think I'm gonna do that in 2020, because I've tried several times in 2019. It did not work. And so I decided to create this folder and added it on my second page, so that I don't always have to open it. But I just want to discipline myself. I want to access social media at least twice per day. Mostly Instagram, you guys. So I'll do all my best. I think I'll do that in 2020. So anyways, we are in 2020. I don't know when this video is gonna go out. It's either end of 2019 or 2020. So yeah, so in here I've got a Snapchat, which I don't use much. I've got Instagram. So Instagram is like my main social media, well, beside YouTube. I've got Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp. I use WhatsApp 24 hours. I use Twitter about 50%. I don't go like on Twitter much. I have Pinterest. I'm always on Pinterest. I have LinkedIn. I use LinkedIn sometimes, Facebook sometimes, and yeah, so these are my social media apps. In the next folder, you're just gonna find like music stuff. I've got Play Music, Play Movies, iTunes. I don't use these things. First time I don't use it. I think I'll have to go through it and see if I'm gonna like it or not. And then yeah, these are all the folders that I've created on my phone. Besides that, I also have this cool app that I discovered this morning. This one is called Numbers. So Numbers basically has like, oh my word, I absolutely love this app. I'm still learning it. In here you are gonna find like budgeting stuff, like personal budget, retirement savings, mortgage calculator, there's meal planner, party planner, travel planner. You get receipts. There's a whole lot of things here, you guys. So what you do basically is you just go on here, and for example, if you want to create a shopping list, you can just click on checklist. This one will give you like a new page whereby you just add in, or you type in stuff that you're going to shop, and then next to it there's like dates, and then next to dates you are going to find like these little box where you'll be ticking, like if you're shopping like maybe groceries and stuff, so it will allow you to tick every time when you took something from the counter. So you're just gonna tick just to confirm that you've already purchased it. So yeah, it's very, very cool. I think I'm gonna be using it a lot. I just need to learn it. And then I have like health app. I don't usually use this app, but I'm seeing it's also interesting. There's like body measurement, cycle tracking, nutrition, there's mindfulness, there's a whole lot of things on this app. I think I'm gonna go ahead and learn it as well. So yeah, that's it guys. These are the stuff that I have on my iPhone, and this is a new phone. I'm still learning it, and of course I am going to download more apps. Maybe in future I'll show you guys the other stuff, but this is all for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure that you like it, okay? Give it a massive thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And yeah, go ahead and watch my iPhone unboxing video. I showed you guys how I was unboxing this iPhone. So thank you so much for watching this video today guys. I really truly appreciate it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.